Hello, welcome everyone, and this is going to show you here actually how you can start to realize on certain progress that is still generally important to deal with. It's a point that we can start to realize on our progress. First of all, what you're gonna do is about remove variants in is a very simple section situational moment about what we're gonna start to see to select the component set, and then what you're gonna do after you select the component in the progress. So you can start to see right here component can be really mixed of control A, and as you can see you can start to right click and okay, right click and then click on group variant, or we can see the group selection. We can convert it to section also. You can start to see that you can ungroup variants, so we can start to type ungroup. So we have to see here when you see in the search and then click on group selection, and this may be about okay, here it is. You should start to click on the section to ungroup it, and that is really how you start to remove. And also you can start to remove variant. Maybe you can see it on the plugin bulk okay, ignore that, but you can also variant remove. It's actually goes on with a certain variant that you should be really being removing it. And I hope you see this video guys helpful, and good luck.